According to the Society for Human Resource Management, SHRM, effective HR administration is critical for organizational success and compliance. Many organizations struggle with inefficient HR processes, leading to compliance issues, employee dissatisfaction, and operational challenges. Without proper HR administration, organizations may face legal risks, high turnover rates, and difficulty attracting top talent. Lack of standardized HR practices can also result in inconsistent policies, poor record-keeping, and ineffective talent management. This comprehensive course provides you with the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in HR administration roles. You'll learn best practices for maintaining accurate employee records, administering benefits and compensation programs, and ensuring compliance with labor laws and regulations. The course also covers strategies for streamlining HR processes, leveraging technology, and supporting organizational goals through effective HR administration. With enhanced HR administration skills, you can contribute to improved compliance and reduced legal risks, increased operational efficiency and cost savings, and better employee satisfaction and retention for your organization. Individuals will develop specialized knowledge in HR administration, gain practical skills for managing HR processes and systems, and enhance their career prospects in the HR field. Elevate your HR administration skills and contribute to your organization's success. Enroll in this comprehensive course today.